Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we're gonna have a discussion. Before we get started in today's video, guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're not gonna miss another one of these uploads. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. First off, we're gonna start by I'm gonna ask you guys a question right now. Are you buying Nike SB Dunk Lows, or are you not? Do you like the current models that are coming out and the colorways and so on and so forth? Or are you completely over with it? Because guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Last year at this time, these things were flying off shelves and selling out instantly. However, over the past couple of releases, Nike SBs have been sitting and or going below retail. Now, the one I'm specifically going to be talking about today is the Crimson Tint and Amber Brown, the Trocadero Gardens, the Paris Olympics. It's the inspired by the Paris Olympics, and all the other pack with, like, this is also the City of Love, the City of Dreams. What else one was there? Also City of Style as well. All of these are in a pack to represent Paris, and they were gearing up towards the Olympics since they're in Paris this year. And me personally, I think this one was the best out of the entire pack. However, they're sitting on sneakers right now. Now, what's weird is usually, on Nike SBs, the skate shops get them in first, and then they kind of, disperse out, and then sneakers will get a release eventually after skate shops do all their raffles and so on and so forth. These things were selling out, no problem, before the sneakers drop. Now, is it because these things flooded the market, or is this because people are done with Nike SBs? So this particular shoe right here, the one we're talking about today, it retails for $125. Full size range, and they're clean, guys. I'm gonna throw images up on the screen right now. You guys know what I'm talking about. These things are clean. Personally, I did not pull the trigger on these things yet, but I still might, because my personal size in these things are sitting. Smaller sizes are gone, so men's 6 through men's 8, they are sold out, and men's 13 and 14 are sold out. But other than that, 10 through 12 are completely in stock, as well as a men's 15. You can tell right here. I'm gonna post this right now, or you can see it on the screen right now. And if I wanted to buy a size 12 in my personal size, I can literally buy it right at this moment. Now, I haven't pulled the trigger on these things, but it's not because I don't like the colorway. It's not because I don't think these things are a dope SB, or because they're not hyped, so on and so forth. Simply because I'm personally trying to save money. Now, that's the topic today, ladies and gentlemen. Are you guys, and are people in general, with this current economy and the sneaker market, are we just trying to save more money? Let's be honest, guys. We can't be spending $125 on these SBs. Certain collabs go for like $150. And then when you're talking about Nike and Jordan Brand, we're talking about $200, $225, $250 for the breads that are going to be coming out next year. The prices of retail sneakers nowadays is just as good as the resale market. I mean, we're basically paying resale prices at retail right now. It's insane. So that's the topic of today's video. It's going to be a short video, but I am curious to know what you guys are, what your thoughts on this are. Are you guys currently buying? Because now is the best time to buy. I don't care what anybody's telling you. Don't buy because of the hype. Buy because of what you personally like, obviously. But today, right now, is the perfect time to buy anything you want. Most things are sitting. I mean, if you just go on the sneakers app, we got the Jordan 1 Barons that are sitting. I'm going to make a separate video on that. We got Jordan 3s that are sitting. We got Jordan 1s. Every Jordan 1 freaking sits nowadays. It's kind of insane when you do think about, like the time that we're in compared to just a couple of years ago, where everything was selling out no matter what colorway it was. But yeah, it's just, I'm super curious. I know my personal reasons is I'm cutting back, and that's why you're getting videos like this from me, and says like every single video is an unboxing and review, is because I'm trying to save money. I mean, I feel like that's most people's stances right now, but let me know in the comments if that's true, or if you guys just don't like sneakers nowadays. Now, while we're talking about Nike SBs real quick, it's just going to bring me to the next drop that's happening on the sneakers app, July 30th. Again, these things are $115, so a little bit less than the other ones. I do have these. I have a video on the channel already, an unboxing and review of the Burnt Sunrise joints right here. Now, I personally do like these. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them in the collection. I picked these things up for retail. But yeah, these things release on July 30th, 10 a.m. It's a first come, first serve, not a draw, anything like that. If you want these things, you should be able to pick them up fairly easily. And they're also not going for anything on the aftermarket. So if you want them, you should be able to get them. But let me know down below if you're going to be going for those as well. So if you did enjoy today's little topic discussion, make sure you guys are smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to throw me a notification bell so you're not going to miss another one of these uploads every time I slap a banger for you. And that's going to do it today, guys. I want to know your thoughts and opinions, so let me have it down below in the comments. But other than that, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.